Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create magazines in Affinity Publisher in 2026. So if you want to design professional magazines, digital publications, or stylish layouts, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Publisher official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main publishing workspace. Next, click New Document and choose your magazine page size. So you can select A4, letter, or custom dimensions depending on your project. Now create master pages and layout guides. This helps keep all pages consistent and professionally aligned. So yeah, use the text frame tool and picture frame tool to place articles and photos. Magazines usually combine strong typography with large visuals. Next, customize fonts, colors, and spacing to match your magazine style. Clean typography and balanced layouts make the magazine easier to read. Finally, click File and then Export to save your magazine. So, export as PDF for printing or digital sharing. And that's how to create magazines in Affinity Publisher in 2026. Once you learn the layout and publishing tools, designing professional magazines becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more desktop publishing tutorials.